want to tell you about an event, but please apologize in advance because it involves the name a remote area for in remote area de Los Angeles there sis. I think the story is quite interesting to listen to. Okay, without lingering long-lasting the style story. So, my two younger siblings and I were born in Los Angeles district, a district in province of North Sumatra. But in the past, because my father's project was in the forestry and timber sector, and he came home once a week. So my parents decided that we also had to go. My father we settled there until now. So my two younger siblings and I was born in the Los Angeles district, a district in the province of Sumatra Utara. But in the past, because my father's project was in the forestry and timber sector, and he came home once a week, sis. So my parents decided that we also had to go with my father and settle there until now. So when we first moved there, everything was fine, sis. I was 6 years old and I was grade 1. Until one day I was 8 years old, I experienced a strange event.
What is that?
So, suddenly waking up in the morning, my left throat was enlarged cyst. My parents thought I had goiter, but when I checked at the health center in the nearest village, it was not the case that I had a disease. All the examination results were good and I did not disease. And I did not have any diagnosis of any disease. Even I also had no difficulty eating, drinking or speaking because of the large lump of my neck cyst. Even I also had no difficulty eating, drinking or speaking because the large lump of my neck cyst.
How did that happen?
Well, that's it, sis. At this time, my parents also didn't know what to do with my threatening neck because the medical examination was all good and there were no signs of diseases. Until one day, there was an old grandfather who saw me bought a red barret had by my mother in the market. He approached us and said it was not good for me to wear anything red first because my of condition at the time. At the time there were two color choices, and the barred hat that my mother had wore was changed to yellow. So not long after my head was changed color, the old grandfather asked what happened to my neck. And then my mother explained everything. And the old grandfather said that across the village there was a smart people who might be able to cure me. That same day my mother and grandmother took me to the village in question. What went we know that something was wrong in the village.
Your story scares me.
That's not all, sis. The strangest about me doesn't stop there, sis. At the same age, this time the accident was different. If earlier my neck had swollen big, this time my skin was all bumpy, sis. It was really itchy, even tooth, and I didn't have allergies. I still really remember when I came home from school, when I took off my socks, my skin all peeled off and it bled blood because the one was stuck to my socks until when I was crying because it is so bad. All the health checks carried out were still to no avail. They said I was fine. There was no diagnosis of disease.
Then how to cure it?
That's it, sis. When we want to go back for treatment to the smart grandfather across from the village, it turned out that he had long moved to a city on the island of Java with his child, and he's already settled there. One side of me which can't stay still every minute always stretches my skin, which is so itchy that I can't sleep. Taking allergy medicine also doesn't work. My parents finally took me to Samosir Island to meet a clever person there who said that his knowledge of medicine have been passed down from his ancestor, and many people had heard this exercise was recognized. After seeking treatment there, it was discovered that there were people who don't like my parents, who had just arrived ahead and become forestry and timber entrepreneurs. And it turns out that the one who was used my father, it's just that he said my father's inner knowledge was strong, so it passed down to his first child, namely me. Since then I have never felt any more strange again from until now.
Oh, your story is really interesting.
Okay, that's the story of an incident for me. Thank you.